Hello, welcome to the class of PHP programming language. So today we are going to discuss about the operators. So how to define these operator in PHP language. So first of all, what is a operators? Operators are used to perform an operation on a variable. So these are particularly used to operate over the variables. So the type of operators are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, increment and the decrement operators, logical operators, string operator and the array operator. So let's have a look over to these different type of variables. So first is showing the arithmetic operators. So these are the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus and the exponentials. So these are the different type of the arithmetic operation that we can use for the addition, subtraction and multiplication, division. So the next one is the assignment operator. The assignment operators are basically used to compare two values. So here the assignment operators are equals to addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. After that, coming to the next, that is the assignment operators are basically used to write a value to a variable. It means we want to get the left side value must be assigned to the right side variable. And the comparison operators are basically used to compare two values. So it can be compared by using the operator equals to, identical, not equals, not equal and not identicals, greater than, less than sign, greater than, equals to and less than equals to. These are the comparison operator, and this one is used for the equal and this one is used for the identical. 3 equals to sign are showing that this for the identical, and equals to will be shown with the 2 equals to sign. So here the equal sign means true if x is equal to y, whereas for the identical, true if x is equal to y, and it must be of the same type. Type is also must be same, but in equal there is no restriction over to the types. The next is the increment and the decrement operator. Increment operators are 4 type. These pre-increment, that will increment the value and after that it will give the output. And post increment, first of all it will give the output and then afterward it will increase the value. Pre-decrement, it means first of all it will decrease the value and then it will post the output for the value. And in post decrement, first of all it will give the value output and after that it will decrease the value. Next is the logical operator. The logical operators are like AND, OR, EX, OR, and these ANDs, and this one is for the OR and this one is for the NOT. These are also used for the comparison, and this comparison is used in the conditional statements. Next one is the string operators. So two operators are used here, that is concatenation and the concatenation assignment. So these two are basically same. The next part is the array operator that are used over to the array. So these are the union, equality, identity, inequality and the non-identity. So these are the different operators that are used to get the comparison between the arrays. So let's see how we have designed this program to define these different operators. The first one is showing the operation for the arithmetic, and here I am using the variable a and variable b. So I want to get the modulus for this variable a and variable b. So as it will divide this 10 by 3 and the remainder will be 1. So it will show the output as the 1, that will show the remainder. The next part is the, here I have commented this part, so remove from here this comment. So coming to the second part, that is the assignment operator. So here for the assignment operator I have used the c variable that is equals to 10, and after it I have defined the c variable plus equals to 100, means I want to get the addition for this c variable, and in output it will show the value as the addition of these two variables together. Next is the comparison operator that will compare the value of j variable and k variable. So here the j is the variable, whereas k is showing as a string. So here we are using the expression that j is not identical, j is not equal to k, and this is true because here j is showing as j is a variable whereas k is a string. If you will remove this double quote from here, then it will be equal and the output for this is false. Next one is the increment and decrement operator. So here it's showing for the increment I use this e variable equals to 10, and in statement it will increase the value for this e variable plus e. And for the decrement I have defined it as a post decrement. First of all it will post the value in the output, and after that it will decrease the value for this. Coming to the next part, that is the string operator. String operator will use the concatenation assignment operator. So this will combine these two statements together, tel comma global. Here we have used statement 1 dot equals to statement 2. So this concatenation assignment will make these two statements together, and here I define the echo with the statement 1. The next one is the logical operator. Logical operator are used to combine the conditional statement or compare this conditional statement. So here I have defined the two variables m equals to 10 and n equals to 80, and in if statement here I have used the if statement that defines the m equals to 10 and n equals to 80. It means if these two both are equal, then it will give the output as this is my first web page. But if there is a difference in between these two variables, then it will show the false statement. Next one is the array operator. So array operator, here I have defined two array, x array and the y array. X array will show the a horse and b as cow, and y array is showing two values, c equals to cat and d equals to dog. So these are the indices of this array. So I want to get the union of these two arrays. So here I use the print r command to get the union. So in this I have defined the variable x plus variable y, and it will give the union of these two array. So let's see in the project. So go here, run project, and see in the browser how it will display it in the browser. So coming to the first part, for the arithmetic operator, it's showing the value as 1 because it's give the remainder of these two. 10 divided by 3 and remainder will be 1. And assignment operator, it's showing the addition of these two, 20 and 100, it's showing the value as 120. For the comparison operator, it is showing the true value because the j is not equal to k. But if you will remove this from here and save the program and now refresh it, now it will showing nothing because this become a false statement. And if you will remove here this not statement from here, save it, and now again it will show 1 because j is equal to k, because they both are the variables. Increment statement, the first for the e variable it's showing 10, and after that after the increment it will become the 11. So increment value is 11. And in decrement we have used the post decrement. For the post decrement it will show the value first as 10, and after decreasing the value it will show the value as 9. So first of all it will post the value, and after that it will decrease the value. Next one is the string operator, that is the concatenation that will combine the two statements. So it combine these two string tel comma global, and it's showing here as tel comma global combined together. Next is the logical operator. Logical operator will combine this conditional statement, this 10 m equals to 10 and n equals to 80, then it will give the output as this is my first web page. And if you will make changes here, if you will write here m equals to 0 and n equals to 80, so save it and again refresh this browser. So here it's showing the false statement because the m is not equal to 0, because m is equal to 10. The next part is the array operator. So as we want the union of these two array, that is addition of these two array together, it will show that a is equals to horse, b equals to cow, c equals to cat and d equals to dog. So it make the combination of two array and make them 1. So this is the union of a x and y array. So this is all about the operator, how to define this operator in PHP code. Thank you.